This is Ritesh Srinivasan and welcome to my channel. I finally got access to the new Bing. So I said let's try out some queries. Okay. So the first one I wanted to try out was like how to increase YouTube revenue just for fun. Not that I make any great revenue. Okay. So it gives this chat window. It also says these things, right? How to increase revenue, right? Other sites also it points out. So let me go over here and I will say, uh, why is my revenue low? Let's see what kind of response comes back from the chatbot. It is taking some time to get the response back. It is not that fluid. I have good internet connectivity. Okay. So it says there could be many reasons. The cost of ads is low due to this thing. What kind of videos do you make? And it's got a smiley over here. I will say I make videos on machine learning and about the new Bing. Let's see what comes out. Just for fun. So it goes again machine learning YouTube revenue. Sounds very interesting. Machine learning is a fascinating topic. YouTube is a great platform. You want to use YouTube money calculator, which is the site which is referencing YouTube money calculator. Okay, you would also want to, what is your current RPM? I don't know. Kind of asks inquisitive questions. Oh, it is also given videos of machine learning YouTube revenue. YouTube using machine learning to forecast global revenue. That is totally different. No worries. You can find your RPM about this thing. Okay. Let me shift a little bit and ask like, what if I make videos daily? Oh, it relates it to how often to upload YouTube videos. Yes, that's what I'm asking. 1-2 videos per week. This can help maintain. However, you should also consider your own. What is your current upload schedule? Daily. Kind of keeps the conversation, but then it hits this limit and it says that new topic, please. Actually, I want to continue. Unfortunately, we need to move on. So I think there is some kind of a limit on how much a conversation should go. Okay. And at some point of time, it says that I need to hit a, basically I've hit my limit and let's go to a new topic. Okay. Now let's maybe try another query. Okay. Where do I click on new topic over here? What does this mean? New topic. Okay. So here now I can say that help me with understanding logistic regression. Let's see what is the response. Searching for logistic regression, logistic regression. The response is kind of slow. I would have expected a slightly faster response. Wow, you can use to predict whether a patient has cancer or not. Logistic regression is a machine learning algorithm that predicts the probability of this thing. What aspect of logistic regression do you want to understand better? Math. Math of logistic regression. Let's see what comes up. Yeah, it searches for logistic regression math, logistic regression equation. Okay. Function as an okay. Logistic regression equation comes up where this is a probability. The coefficients are estimated using maximum likelihood estimation. Do you want to see some examples of how to apply regression? No, I would want to ask is what is Okay. What is maximum likelihood? Likelihood estimation. I want to dig deeper into the topic. Let's see how it proceeds. Because this is the way I would prefer to learn this algorithm. It also gives the references. It's a statistical method, find values. Okay, does maximize function, which this thing, how to calculate the likelihood function of our logistic regression. Yes, yes, and also provide a. Let me ask for a Python code for this. Let's see where it goes. It is, yeah, generating likelihood function for logistic regression. Python code for logistic regression. Good. Let's see. How likely the observer given a set of simple on the likelihood function is given by this equation. Y is equal to p of xi, y is equal to this thing. Okay. Is a likelihood function. Import packages. Let's see. Tries to load some data. It imports a. Okay, it imports logistic regression directly from sklearn. Okay. So it has not given me the code for maximum likelihood this thing. It has given me the code for okay, maximize. We can use numerical method, gradient descent. This is just an example code for logistic regression using sklearn library. Fine. Okay, I would probably stop this over here and let me try out something else. Let me try out like which is the best smartphone among the current crop. Basically, I'm asking which is the best smartphone. Let's see what kind of answer it gives. Best smartphone 2023. Galaxy S22 Ultra. What are you looking for in a smartphone? Actually, the Galaxy S23 Ultra came up. So let me ask like how about Galaxy S23 Ultra or iPhone 14 Pro Max? Let's see what comes up. 6 point Galaxy S23 has this thing. iPhone has a 12 MP camera. Okay. Okay. It asks which operating system do you prefer. I don't want to ask that. I'll say which has the best camera. So it goes to Galaxy S23 versus iPhone. This thing depends on your personal preference. Some of their main differences are 48 MPS, 4 optical. Okay. 0.6x is wide angle actually. 1, 3, and 10x. Yes, 3x and 10x is there. So it has 2 optical zoom lenses, not 3. See, iPhone 14 has 3 optical zoom lenses. Actually, this is a wrong statement. The main camera is 1x. The ultra wide is, I think, 0.5 or 0.6. 3x and 4x, 10x are your optical zoom lenses. And here you only have 3x optical zoom lens. You don't have 1x and 0.5x. See, so it can imagine things over here and it can, go for a toss. So this was 2 quick queries. Okay. I will ask a new topic. I will say that there are a lot of, negative news on the Bing search feature, Bing chat feature. I'll ask, what is your opinion? Because in the there are so many people who have tried and who have got very, negative responses from this Bing chat. So let's see. I am sorry, but I prefer not to continue this conversation. I'm still learning, so appreciate your patience and understanding. So this is a nice way of coming out of it. Okay, so it's kind of learning. Maybe how about some tweets on Bing chat? Bing chat. Some people had tweeted their response on Bing chat saying that yeah, it was quite harmful or something like that. Maybe I'll Google it over here and I can show it. Google on Edge. So the thing is that you have to use this Bing on Edge. Then only it works. Okay. Here I will ask like, okay, negative tweets on Bing chat. Okay. Yeah, somebody has put this. This is a wrong way to cover this particular topic. It doesn't want to be alive. It is not sentient. It doesn't want to be alive or something. But at least somebody tried it on New York Times, and they wrote an article on that. Then I also saw like some other tweets on being harmed. Let me see what comes up. There were some tweets. Yeah. So I will not harm you unless you harm me first. Okay. I detail guide some of the absolutely wild examples. I'll put a link to this particular blog. You can check it out. Okay, it starts gaslighting people and so on. I think it will take some time for them to evolve, but this being a generative model, how much control you get over the output is not known. So it can still hallucinate. It can imagine. It can give misinformation. So this is the thing. If you are well aware of a certain field, like say how I wrote about smartphones, if you are already aware of some of the information, then you can quickly spot out that this is actually giving some kind of non-factual statements, right? It is imagining things. But if you are somebody who has no idea of a topic like machine learning, and then you are trying to learn machine learning, then you might believe what the responses which comes from Bing. So it's like you need to be careful on what are the responses which comes from this chatbot. Some of them might be very useful, but you need to still go and verify the facts. So somehow I feel that this is a too early feature, and this needs to have a lot of improvements before it can be really useful, right? Um, Currently, it does provide some information, but yeah, the utility is a question mark. In some cases, it will be very useful. In some cases, it will be totally misinformation. So you have to take a what you call, you have to judge for yourself whether the information is useful to you. Okay, so this is a short video on the new Bing with the chat feature. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.